Hi, today I have a very awesome vintage padlock for you guys. It's GEGE or GEGE 1/45. I have never seen this kind of padlock, especially not from GEGE, and it's with original key. It's a small key, the same logo. Probably it's very old. There is a V106. You can see it's a 5-pin lock. It's a wafer lock. It's 5 wafer lock. The last one is pretty short one, and it's working. I have a WD-40, so it's working. It's a bit rusty, you can see, and plus this cannot be shimmed, but because it's a wafer lock, it's yeah, it's very easy to pick this one. But it's a very cool old lock. On this side is like this, and as you can see, like the paint is can be easily removed because it's very old, and as I said, it's a wafer lock. I don't know if you can see the wafers. There are the wafers, and I'll try to pick this one in hand this, and I will use this is a fantastic pick by, I think it was Trackmaster 30, and I have it for a long time, and it's a very cool one for picking the wafer locks. So let's start. 1 nothing, 2 nothing, 3 it's binding, click from 3, 4 click, 5 nothing, 1 click, 2 nothing, I think, wait, 3 nothing, 4, and now 5 it's binding, click from 5, let me go one by one, 1, 2, no, 3, no, 4, no, 5, everything feels set, no, 5 click, and we're open. That was 4 previously. So it's a easy pick, to be honest, but it's a very cool lock, and I'm glad that I have it in my collection. I have never seen a GEGE padlock. So yeah, that was a old vintage unique GEGE padlock with wafers picked. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.